This is my 1971 Chevy stepside truck. I got it for my 16th birthday a couple of weeks ago. We put a new bed in and put cedar wood in there. Yeah, it was, you can see straight through it, so we just put some cedar wood in. It's not finished yet. The interior seats and all that came out from a 2003 Silverado. That's broken right there. That needs to be fixed. It's just got a little radio in it, nothing special. It's just got a regular 350 in there. Hood needs to be repainted too. Yeah, it's a little souped up, clean. Yeah, the person that had it before me, that was his first time he ever done that, so yeah. He struggled with that. I'm gonna fire it up, let y'all hear it. Yeah. Runs real smooth. I'm not really stupid, so I don't try to see how fast it goes. You can tell by the tread that person that had it before me tried to do burnouts and all that crap, you know. So it probably needs new tires. And I love my radio station. I'm listening to it right now. It's my favorite song. Yeah, but it's a nice little truck. I love it. First truck, you know. Runs smooth. I have no problems with it. Cranks every time I start it. And that's about it, and I love it. So, signing out.